Hello children, welcome to our channel. Today we'll be studying how to solve a quadratic equation by using formula. That is nothing but by formula method. Okay, before going to that, yesterday I had asked you a question that there are 6 matchsticks. How will you make it equal to nothing? Very simple children. See here 1, so 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. What is nil equal to? Nothing. Okay. So these are all just simple things. Now, how to solve a quadratic equation by using formula? So you all have learned what is a formula, right? So what is the formula? X is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. This is the formula, right? Standard formula. This is standard formula for which equation? For the quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c equals 0, where a is not equal to 0. This is the standard form. But children, do you know how do you get this formula? X is equal to minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. These are the values of x, or you can call it as roots of the quadratic equation. How do you get it? Just I'll derive it and show so that remains in your mind when you do the problems. Okay. So now ax square plus bx plus c equals 0 is the standard form. So yesterday we have learned how to solve it by completing square method. What do? We divide by the coefficient of x square. That is by a here, right? What will we get? So x square plus bx by a is equal to, push it this side, that is c by minus c by a, right? 0 by a is 0. So here, what is the next step? Do you remember? So whatever is this, we are taking half of that, half of b by a, which is equal to b by 2a. Just recall the steps in completing square method. Then you are adding both that is the square of that both the sides. X square plus b by ax. Artha aagta idea? Are you following, children? Same what we did yesterday. Plus b by 2a whole square. What we have done here? We have divided by a. So you get here a and a gone. X square plus b by a of x is equal to, push the ca this side, minus c by a. Right? So 0 by a is 0. What is the next step in your completing square method? We are deriving this formula. So half of this, half of b by a, half of b by a is b by 2a. Adding the square of that both the sides. Why? You are completing the square. So this is of the form x plus b by 2a whole square. A plus b whole square. This is equal to 2ab. How? bx by a is 2 into a is x, b is b by 2a. So you will get it as bx by a is equal to minus c by a. Are you understanding, children? Plus b by 2a whole square. That is nothing but b square by 4a square. Right? So now x plus b by 2a whole square is equal to, here what is the LCM? 4a square. For a square, a and 4a square, the LCM is 4a square. Multiply by 4a. You will get it as minus 4ac plus b square. Right? So, x plus b by 2a whole square is equal to, you can arrange it, b square minus 4ac by 4a square. Right? So, now remove the square. What will you get? X plus b by 2a is equal to plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac by 4a square. So, b square minus 4ac cannot be simplified. But what is the square root for 4a square? Square root of 4a square is 2a. So, what can I write, children? So, I can write it as x plus b by 2a is equal to plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. Why did I write 2a here? Because square root of 4a square is 2a. So now push this plus b by 2a that side. X is equal, because you have to solve for x. You are finding out what is x. Okay, so x is equal to minus b by 2a. Why? Plus b by 2a, you are pushing it that side. Minus b by 2a plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. Now what is the LCM, children? So LCM is x is equal to, what is the LCM? 2a. Here minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac. This is your formula, right? So x is equal to minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. Did you understand? So you can just try to solve it once again. It is nothing but by completing the square. So now we'll go to today's topic, that is how to solve a quadratic equation using the formula. That is solve using formula. That will be a question, right? 2x square plus x is equal to 4. So now listen here, children. First step is always you should bring it of the form. What is the standard form? Ax square plus bx plus c equals 0. That is your standard form, right? So now try to bring this of the standard form. So what will be your equation now? 2x square plus x minus 4 equals 0. You are bringing it to the standard form. Now write what is a, b and c in this equation. In this equation, what is a? A is equal to, a takes a value 2. What is b? Nothing is there, the meaning is 1. b is equal to 1. Right. What is c? C is minus 4. You can write this in working column also. So now write the formula. X is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. Please by heart this. Once, twice, thrice, write and practice. Practice makes you perfect. So now come to the question. X is equal to minus b. What is the value of b here? 1. Plus or minus square root of b square. What is b square? 1 square. Minus 4 into a. What is a? 2. Into c. What is the value of c? Here it is minus 4. By 2 into a takes the value 2. So x is equal to minus 1 plus or minus square root of, what is 1 square, children? 1. Okay. So minus into minus gives you plus. Once again, minus into minus plus. 4 2s are 8. 8 4s are 32 by 4. 2 2s are 4. So this is nothing but minus 1 plus or minus root of, what is 32 plus 1? 33 by 4. What do you mean by this? X is equal to minus 1. There are two roots here. One is plus root of 33 by 4. And the other is minus 1 minus root of 33 by 4. These two are the roots of this quadratic equation. So listen here, children. Here it is 33, right? If it was 32, you could have further simplified it as 16 into 2. So this 33 cannot be expressed as product of a perfect square and another number. So just you are writing it as plus root of 33 by 4, minus 1 plus root 33 by 4 and minus 1 minus root of 33 by 4. You can solve few more questions where the numbers can be splitted as the product of a perfect square and other integer. Okay, once again we'll come back to the problem. So the question is solve using formula 2x square plus x is equal to 4. Your first and foremost step is bring it to the standard form, that is ax square plus bx plus c equals 0. You have learned that this is the standard form of a quadratic equation. So 2x square plus x, bring it this side, minus 4 equals 0. Now you see what is the value of a, what is the value of b, what is the value of C? Here there is no coefficient, the meaning is 1. So A takes a value 2, B takes a value 1, C takes a value minus 4. You can write it in working column also. Next, write the formula. So always write the formula. Formula will be giving you marks. X is equal to minus B plus or minus root of B square minus 4AC by 2A. So x is equal to minus, B takes the value 1 here, plus or minus root of 1 square, that is B, minus 4 into A is 2. C is minus 4 by 2 into A, again A is 2. So minus 1 plus or minus root of 1 square is 1, minus into minus plus 4 2s are 8, 8 4s are 32 by 2 2s are 4. So minus 1 plus or minus root of 1 plus 32 is 33 divided by 4. What do you mean by this? It is plus or minus. The meaning is x is equal to minus 1 plus root 33 by 4 or minus 1 minus root 33 by 4. Okay, 33 cannot be written as a product of a perfect square number. So you are just keeping it like that only. If it was 32, you could have written it as root of 16 into 2 and then further simplify it as 4 root 2. Okay, so practice more problems on this, children, and please write the formula 5, 10, 15, 20 times and then by heart it, because surely they'll ask you this type of question in your exam. So standard formula of a quadratic equation is x is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. So wish you all the very best. Meet you tomorrow with one more video, and today's question will be, and I need more comments from your side, how to get 31 using 3 only 5 times. That is, you have to use the digit 3 5 times and get 31. Okay, meet you tomorrow. For more updates, you can subscribe our channel. Okay, bye.